Hey, honey. Make sure say nobody cook no stew peas tonight now, because I tell you too like when I cook stew peas and no.
Yo, big boy.
Yeah.
Hold on, see, I do another movie.
Hold on, me call him back.
Yo, me say me subscribe every day.
Eh?
I'm not see our post no more. Oh,
Boy, you now watch the channel then, man.
me subscribe, man. Me click the button.
Every day me post like 10 o'clock in the morning, every day. So what that means say now watch the channel then. Eh?
You know, sir, me subscribe the last 2 days ago.
You subscribe too much time.
What if I time, every time I go for me touch it?
Alright, bless up yourself still, man. Me there still, me there start deal with there. Me there start deal with.
So you don't post no more, me can't see. So me can go subscribe again.
But you now watch, right? Me I tell you say now watch. Me put even this man when me post before me come out. If I go up there right now, sit there. I want that, Mr. Punani. Me post it.
Alright, me I go subscribe again.
Yeah, man.
Alright, boss.
Yeah. Bless up yourself. Yeah.
Good work.
What a man live and subscribe to one channel every day. No, sir. Thank you.
Alright, so me a win now.
Are you a win?
Yeah, and me a win.
Oh. I come first, me good, you know.
6.
6 on the board, 5,
No.
4.
Good start. Okay. Alright.
So you go. Alright. Wait. You know you smile, so.
No, come here, I win with you, man. Tell us that me I win.
Eh? Well, me like that from you feel like you're a winner. That is good. That's what I like when a man come first. You know what them a do.
Yeah, someone father bro, me I go win. Alright, watch it now.
Hold like this up.
Alright. Here goes the Bobs. Play no man, I stop the game. Alright. First time me I go win. And then me I go win. Stop playing now, yeah, move so slow.
Stop rushing, man. You have
Alright.
to be patient.
Alright.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Just like the plants, you have to water it and watch it grow.
Alright.
Yeah, so yeah.
Play no man on the circle game. No, you're not winning now.
We pass.
You pass? Watch it now. Yes, you pass. Yes, you pass.
Pass.
Watch it. Watch it. Win movie.
like a long time I play, man.
Yeah, long time me I play.
Yeah.
So let's say I get 6 now. When me I get if me get 6.
So first I come Renaissance here.
Me don't know I'm always there. Try to some work. I'm always there, man. Especially in the daytime.
Yeah, because I'm a hard working man, you know. It's just from the farm to the home, you know?
On the farm.
Yeah.
You're a farmer.
Yeah, man, original farmer brown man. Me and one of the first man them live around here, so. You understand?
You're not so old.
Me not so old.
You're not so old.
You don't feel so?
How long time you bought a place for me? I grew up me, you bought a place there. So that means I have money.
Money.
Yeah.
All them cow come on and them cow were passing. So what do you think them do? Who are them?
Yeah, one.
All of them belongs to me.
So that means I have money.
Money.
Yeah. Can you have cow and I sell them one thing?
We sell them, yes, when we sell them. That's,
So that means I have money next year.
that's the money. Money is the thing, man. I don't have money.
Money important. Money important. So much of what kind of phone this now? iPhone.
I don't know what kind of phone this is. I mean, daughter them send it come down from foreign.
You know if you use it? Because it's complicated and I can show you. If you want, we can exchange. I go, this is a Samsung. You see, this is easier for you.
Alright, better. Tell her what you do.
Mm-hmm.
Put a number in it, and then when I call you,
No, more on the phone. No, put my number in there.
put a number in it.
I can't get it.
No, man, just not tonight. May I expect a call from overseas.
So may I see you back tomorrow?
See me again, you want to see me again? Alright, I see you later.
No, but I see some more work. You like me? What do you think?
Well,
Can't work with, not you? Alright.
you can work with.
You married, I'm saying? You're not married. You married?
That's a man, I'm not married.
You have kids?
And they just says my daughter send this from parenting. You see, you're not paying attention, you know.
Oh, I say, alright, so you have big pin and friend can send money and thing. Come on, put my number in there. Come on and stay back.
The young girl full of too much crap. You know.
My name, Lisa.
Lisa.
Yes, you save it there. Understand how to do it?
Yeah.
So ring me now, let me guess the number. Ring me now. Seat lights up there. Alright, I'm going to save everyone.
Mm-hmm.
So all long you say you drink something else?
Well, drink. I have another drink, man. There, man. So, you feel like you give me 69 night.
Mm-hmm.
You feel like you give me 6.
Oh no, I can't believe. But I'm glad you are come with me. Come. See her there. See girl then. Look at thieving girl. Imagine From morning, you heart me for my money, you know. And me tell you, so me not no money, you know. My money is for do my business, and I really take my money out of my purse. Eh?
You see me take see me take it. You see me take it.
Me tired to talk to you, you know. Me tired for one of you have one pitney, right? You have a pitney, you know.
If you come about me, you come about me. Don't talk about my son here. You know about that.
Me not come with no badness. Me come from
Hey, that not sound good, you know.
Hey, relax. Lean back. I know you, I know your time. Actually, we come. We don't come
If
back.
the child can't come about me, because I never take nothing for you. You still want me take up me. You have money with a broke self.
Hey, come on, man. How so much money you not talk about?
$10,000.
Then it's $10,000 you the bill suffer.
Yes. Yes. Time hard. No money now, me.
the gentleman here nice. Me always see me in the community.
Hey, come and me talk to you, man. Like you're the sensible one.
Alright.
I can't have them giant girl as a friend, you know. What you say?
You see the girl there? You sit down and talk to her? I know a nice girl. You hear me tell her? I want a little gambler.
All right, watch out now. We know you know look good. I'm not a friend. You understand? How much money I said?
$5,000.
5,000? All right. Sorry for me. I don't really pick up people business for me, you know, but honestly, to the extent. Sorry for that. There. I don't know if I she thief or whatever. I don't want to get involved, but just the argument and you know sound good.
Me know you not sound good enough. Me not this type of person for come here so come.
You don't know me, don't you?
You know. Me I go stay around in the community.
I am Mitzi big daughter.
Yes.
KSN, right?
Yes. Me not trouble people.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I say? Me not trouble people. So this girl from morning she pressure me about $5,000.
I say go, man. I say go. But listen, sorry for that. I said that girl away apart with.
Yeah.
She will put in a problem. Yeah. But you know what? And every time.
More you understand. Me did have to carry her.
Alright. Take care of yourself. Alright,
But
KSN.
respect, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
And remember it's Farmer Brown here.
Alright, Farmer Brown. Respect to you, yeah?
Yeah, man. Bring her with you, man.
Come on.
Bring her with you. Because we don't want those kind of behavior around you.
Me understand, man. Come on, you're too terrible. Alright, you're Farmer Brown.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Is them friend there?
And I really befriend them in the but I sit them and talk to them one and two times. But we never take our money.
Listen. Sometimes when they're on woman, I see them something. A girl can see them something. That's why you stay hard. You understand?
But I mean first did it now, them come after.
I understand. But forget about it. So you say, I can call you.
Yeah, you can call.
Smile, man. I don't like how you're looking.
Smile, because I don't like them stuff. They know them I walk and tell everybody say, you see? She come talk to me about my son, you know. About the money, you know. Yeah, she bring up.
You have a son?
Yes, my have a son.
Never know. Yeah, like you have no picnic, you know.
Well, no for a young girl, and we have kids nowadays, they can't really tell me I have a son. I mean, I take care of my son, so I don't know she talk about me picnic up on the road and them something.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. We talk to you here. We talk to you, man. But smile. Smile, man. Tomorrow I catch something come get here.
So you can't give me it now?
No, me just give them the last one, man. You run
Sure.
me hand. You run me hand.
Okay. So call me.
Yeah, man, me call you.
Alright.
Alright?
Mm.
Smile for me. So me give them the $10,000. Them probably want it, you know. But you know, use that against people. You understand?
Mm.
Yeah, and nobody make them break your energy. Because some people come around if you come break your energy. You understand?
Understand.
But look them up.
You're drunk?
If me drunk,
You first? Your eye look droopy.
I'm good, man.
Sure.
I'm good.
Oh, far from where you still live?
I live around the apartment there.
Alright.
But I shall see you, see?
You sure you can ride?
And then if me keep your phone on, me call you.
Come down after this and do me a beg you. Lord Jesus, if the man look like he could jump off and bicycle. Let me know if you reach home safe for your farmer brown, alright? Jesus Christ. Later. Later.
Daddy,
Hmm?
but you're going to look for me, I know.
Yeah, man, I come look for you, man. Don't tell me. Me done, I go check for the cow there on a bush there.
You can buy something for me.
What you want?
More sweetie.
Sweetie?
Yeah.
No, man, you know, it's much sweetie, man. Come tell you, it's a sweetie now.
Alright, we can get one water then.
Yeah, when we come back, me make
Aye.
you get a water.
Aye.
Yeah?
Remember if you can look for me?
Yeah, man, I come look for you, man.
Yeah.
Zin?
Yeah.
Ah, look.
Later.
Yeah, look more.
Okay, Tracy. Naglaan sama coma. Sama coma. Me too, you know. Yo, you know, hey, every time me I feel I got school, dog. Hey, I can't believe some rain come on a food, you know. A food, you know. Dog, we're glad. We're glad all summer come. I saw my best, mercy. You see summer school, you see I for summer school, bad, no. No, you have summer school, summer school, bad dog. Anybody.
Before I'm playing, man.
Welcome.
All right,
Hmm?
all right there. I play as that there.
No. Hmm?
I play as that there, man.
No.
I'm gonna take you and tell you with the playing foot up.
No.
You know nonsense.
Eh?
The boy they run with too long for no players for a screwdriver, you know. What you find yourself for me? I'm gonna lick you with the hammer, man. Move on, man. I'm gonna hustle. Where you go to school for?
Hmm? Yeah.
Where you go, eh?
Yeah.
Where you learn? You're right, I can't learn. Move on, man. You waste people money. I want bench. You top go to school, man, and go learn one trade, you hear?
Yeah.
If you know play different from screwdriver, we all know. You know much different from English.
I don't know.
You don't know. And go find someone. You fool no. Yo, boy, forward, come in.
Well, I'm gonna friend that don't see. One friend. One friend. Isa. Isa, how are Isa? In Yarrow. Yeah.
Wagwan,
Me there.
come here, boy.
Welcome.
Wow. Me can sound guinea pig.
Thanks.
You alright?
Yeah.
You eat already?
No,
What make?
I'm gonna work. You never have nothing for me to eat.
Mother never left nothing for you to eat.
No.
Alright, you?
Yeah.
I'll go up on the road and come back. I'll get something for you to eat, yeah?
Yeah.
So come.
Yeah.
And wash off your foot them, man. You can't make your foot them dirty, so just wash off your foot them and brush off your pants. Why you dirty up yourself, so? Eh? How conky in your forehead? How conky in your forehead?
My next set water.
Why you conky for?
No, because through in the hour pan one bus and then he tell me to pass the prayers and I never know when he saw me pass the wrong thing and he conk me.
So that him conky for? You even need to have a talk with him, you know. But me still come here. Me have to see if I get something for you to eat and forward.
Yeah.
And wash off your foot them, man.
Yeah.
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Slow! Hey, Wagwan. You know, say, grandma, may I come there? You know, say, I'm a bicycle, I don't want you tune up if me, kind of get a little problem there.
Oh.
But when we come back, here.
Yeah, man, the next week come or something.
Alright.
We may not tune them up in other.
Alright, me hear what mommy say, cause
Yeah, man.
around my farm me I come from and I say me I come get a link.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, me go and talk to mama yes and all a reason with her.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh.
Yeah. Mommy,
Yes, man.
you know say around the farm that me I come from a while ago.
Okay.
I'm
But
good
not around the farm, you know.
Oh man, me have a lot of work to do around them and the breeze come on.
Everything blow down.
You know, the breeze come and blow down everything around there. So, we have all of them to go cut down and clean up and something. But not only that, you know, say, I go down at the shop there, down at the mechanic shop there, and I say, rush on, right? He tell me, say, in stepfather, I conk him in and fire and all this something.
No feel like him, man.
But I don't know what kind of style like them, mommy.
No, sir. Nothing I show no love at all. You know, feel like he pit me.
But
He pit and I do not
me understand, say,
him. Talk to him, he can't talk to him, but not lick him. No conk him, no.
I understand, say, Roshana like a 8-year-old, a big, a lick, because they say a pit in the same way. So, you understand? You can't conk him man in his eye. It's like you take him man for idiot.
I told to me one day, yeah, Miss Fine. You know, say, I lick me na me, that idiot thing want me fit on, you know.
Eh? Tell her how you smart, mommy.
So, you see, I don't know nobody tell him to just look around and Miss Fine. You know, say only while the man lick me na me, that idiot thing want me fit on, you know. But me not know idiot, you know, see me time me lick me, I run.
I tell you, man, I tell you. What?
He say when you lick me, I run. And me notice say want lick me na me, that only one. Idiot thing want me fit on.
Mommy, me say, it's like Lisa now have no style, mommy.
No, sir.
No style, no matter how me try if talk to Lisa. Lisa not take telling. All Lisa want to do is go to the gambling house.
Right.
Eh? Any little money out there ain't gone. You
No,
not even
sir.
want to buy nothing for your little boy. You might go work at daytime, you not even left nothing for your little boy eat.
And if he mix out anything or not eat anything, beat him when he come.
I mean, I talk
You
to.
see, you me if he left me so without nothing to eat. Anything missing the man and me out. Me. And all he beat me and he say, one of them time, he might call police. And the auntie come and hear him. Oh, so hold on to behave. Every little thing me eat, a problem. If me never hungry, me wouldn't eat it.
Alright, me I go out. Let's see if we can get something. Yeah, let me have money, then I go see if we get something out of shop there. If we can buy one little bowl of cake and one bag just go give me.
So me no money for me neither.
Alright, so me go go on. Something I did have one little money for me. I go check it. Yeah?
Alright.
Alright, me so come. I go and look about the coconut aisle.
Yeah, money.
Hey, mommy, me not tell a lie, you know. You know, say, Master Reedy I tell me, say, I used to the best coconut aisle along the market there.
Who's Reedy?
Master Reedy, man. He might tell me, say, I used to the best coconut aisle. Reedy from around the road there, Miss Sandra husband. I tell me, say, I used to the best coconut aisle along the market there. You can't get another coconut aisle like yours.
A man on us sell it on a man street there. But guess what I do now? Oh, before he boil it, a virgin island in skim off it, but he make it custard go in it. The island no good is sour. The lady say nothing that she that couldn't use.
Alright, so me I go around and say, here, I'm super.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, look more. If you want no banana and you just call me and make me know, cause me a grown and say, here.
Something. I never used to play. Oh. Okay. I'll pass it. See? Yeah, okay. Pass. 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 Okay. Yeah. Guys, wait. The wind dog. Oh. The wind.
Give thanks to times and praises. And no, 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 no.
But wait. What make your stepfather always go on so with you? Why? No. Sometimes he just rough. No. Sometimes I always wonder if he want to kill me or something. But I don't know. Alright, who you like him most? Which one? Which one you call it? Well, I prefer my stepfather when he work as a farm. That's him more better. He treat me good than them this. So good game, bro. I'm sure. I'm sure. It just do. Alright, giant. So yeah, how much eat?
Wagwan.
Well, I'm there, I go up another good there.
You got a good?
Yeah, man.
Boy, you clean me there, I do some clean up, boy, because from Beryl come, me just get time to come over here. Look there, look how much banana.
Yeah, it's big bad, man. When you get back food, man?
Boy, I don't know. So I'm there, I do some little cleaning up.
Alright, go and do what you do, man. It's good for you, man.
Yeah, man.
You come back.
Alright, soon forward.
We soon forward.
Alright, man, we shall get her here.
Alright, sir, alright,
Yeah.
alright. Have a nice day, yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Alright, farmer, alright, farmer.
Play now. Bro, yeah. One, two, go. God, Lord. I don't want to play now. Girl. My turn. Yeah, it's your turn. Yeah, man. Yeah. Finally. What is? Yo. You pass? Patet prayer no man.
Alright, Shibada.
Don't call me no Shibada.
Alright, me I call it always.
Good.
No, man, you know hear yourself call him rat.
No.
Rat. Yeah, rat. You fi play dog. Rat, no pass.
Pass son.
How much you know count here?
Yeah, I'm count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Count 9.
Right now me 100. I'm gonna hurry up here, man.
Farmer Brown,
Oi!
beg you a minute there.
How go on, Miss Myra?
Nothing much.
Why I hear about the storm at your school, you know?
So unfortunate, me I tell you.
Why, I'm sorry for hear say whole eye roof gone.
Well, we have to try our best to get it up and running for September, you know.
Yeah.
Anyways, I have a little stepson me did want to talk to you about.
Oh, Russian?
Yes, so the end of term exam them, him practically fail all of them. Me I tell you grades like 20%, 15%, and his average was like 95 for the last term. So, you know, it's very concerning, and me say me go either come to your mother or when me see her pass by, me go stop you and let you know. Because we have to work on this. You know, I was thinking that we could probably have him in summer school or even come by, I can give him some extra lessons. You know, something, we have to do something because this is not normal. This is not him.
All right. Miss Myra, to tell you the truth. To tell you the truth, Miss Myra, Russian is not my biological son, right?
Oh,
But is his mother. You understand? Me and the mother did the things, and we kind of not to pay mother no mind because Mr. Say mother I pray some things where in my line about. You understand?
understand. But I always see him pass with you, so it seems as
Yeah,
if
man,
you
come and
both
check
are...
for him, man, because he's a very brilliant little boy, you know.
Right.
And Mr. Say he rate me and he respect me. He never, me not have no problem with him. So I try to look out for him and I care for him, see me. You understand?
I understand, and he's a very brilliant young man for sure. So I would really love to see, you know, some form of improvements.
Boy, Miss Mary, no matter how I talk to him and tell him say certain things I can't do because I don't know a little youth and you
Right.
can't do certain things as a mother for. And then you have one next step forward the way me not to know.
Oh,
You understand?
oh.
But what do you think we can do to improve? Because me don't really want it. Even if his mother no know about it. You understand? Me don't really even pay for a little extra time you can spend at your class.
Of course, because I do offer evening classes, and even now that it's summer, I'm suggesting that you can go to the summer classes, you know.
So me can carry him come and so come give a daytime and let him have even 1 hour and just spend a little extra time with him.
Sure. Definitely.
Alright, me will do that there.
All right.
And thank you again.
No problem, man.
Yeah, man, me appreciate the facts that you call me to tell me. You understand? Even though I know for me fitness still, but me love him, see me as me one.
Yes, and not a lot of people will do what you're doing, so I encourage you to keep it up here.
Alright, me do it, man. But I try me check for him, you know, Miss Myra. And me not want to do this because me know say probably down the line anything can happen and they're young.
Right.
Sometimes if your mother not have the head, even the community sometimes can take up a responsibility and try to guide them too.
True.
You understand?
Right.
So Me I come go away.
Yeah.
You understand? And remember, you know, if you want any banana, you know, I still have it on my farm and them something. You hear?
Alright then.
Yeah.
No problem. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, man. Take care.
You too.
Daddy, I eat this, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, come. Yeah, look at yours, man. I'm gonna take like a eat that so we can cheat the bull. Nothing. What's up, brother? See, you know, take like a eat that.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I let her for them, man. Take like a eat that, man. If you want to go and give me. I'm a cleaning officer. Me tell someone file for shop me knife or a knife missing off one. Eh?
Hmm?
The knife missing off, brother.
Yeah.
So you can file come? Nothing.
I think I know
What me ask sister you tell nothing. Nothing.
because true me think say it's sharp right there, so.
It's sharp right there, so.
Yeah.
File no cut things, file sharp things you can cut. Yo, come on.
Hmm?
Go learn sense. You know no sense. Go learn sense. Give me. Hey boy, I'm gonna get something for ball for man. Go and go bathe yourself, man. You bathe for morning.
No.
Go and go bathe. Your arms supposed to frowns, you know. Yo. So you do over here so long? Brother, soap up yourself and beard. Okay, I saw somebody beard. You hurry up and beard, you. And tap waste the water. You pay water bill. Hurry up, man. Watch out, look on them beard in there. No, sir. That's us.
What a mighty God we serve. Angels bow before him, heaven and earth adore him. What a mighty God we serve.
Yeah, man, you can. You see, you say through the mountain, there, so? No, man, that's up a dump.
Because I
Oh, yeah, go. Come on, come on. Hey, I say I can't take them man there with them goat, you know, man. So, you hear me, I say, Zin?
Yeah.
You hear what the pastor say?
Yeah, sorry.
You must be a good little boy, you're gonna be brilliant.
Sorry.
I know from the pastor said that you must keep focused, right?
Yes, sorry.
Farmer broad.
What going?
But they are my general. You know, say me have some order for some banana.
Some banana.
Yeah, we want to get them off of the crop.
Boy, from burial come, me have to go look and see what I can find over there.
All right then, farmer broad. Anytime you're ready, you know we die, I wait.
Yeah, man, me also see what I can find on the farm there.
Yes, yes.
Alright, no worry yourself, man. Cause me know say you run off the restaurant down the road there, so.
So by next week, everything will progress.
By next week, yeah man, definitely.
All right, activate Farmer Brown.
Alright.
One Farmer Brown, you know.
One all the time.
Believe. And I want taxi man out here, you know.
A church me I come from, so me I go see what me can find over there, here.
So by next week then.
Yeah man, definitely.
All right then, Farmer Brown.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, Russian. Alright, Russian. So we are go down here. But as me say, you have to just stay focused on in a school here and do the right thing all the time. Alright? So come on, now go down. Come on, hurry up. Go up! Go up, man! Oh man, let me go them. Left me cow them, man. Left me cow them alone, man. Are you always a come up here so come trouble me cow them? Go down over here, yard. Yeah.
Hello, nice day.
Morning.
Can you send me a special, please?
What kind of special?
Rum and boom.
Okay.
You know white rum? JB alone.
Okay, keep doing your JB.
Alright, give me JB though.
Alright.
I say I can buy one too.
No, I'm earning.
Yeah. Very nice, you know?
Someone for supper?
Huh?
Someone
Yeah. Alright, thank you. Send me a query for me. Pick up my car, dude. Strong man.
You too strong?
No, it's strong. I put water for me.
Oh.
Thank you, yeah?
Hey Lisa,
Hi, Miss Mara.
what's up?
Not much.
Oh my gosh, this heat. You're not in here?
Yeah, but I know we have to work with it. You know?
I came here to talk to you about your son.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to go outside because in here really hot.
No, man, it's okay. We can talk right here.
Alright, so I noticed a little change in his behavior since lately. He's a bit angry, I would say. Um, his approach to his peers. He's easily upset if they take up something for him. Normally, he wouldn't make such a big deal out of it. But now he wants to fight and so forth. He's very aggressive towards them. Is everything okay at home?
Yes, everything is okay. I'm not sure what caused that.
Hmm.
I'm not sure. You sure they're not bullying him?
I don't think so because, they're all friends, but when they do things like the least of things, they borrow his pencil,
Triggered him.
Yes.
Okay, well, I guess I have to talk to him when I leave work.
Okay, and the other day, I don't know if Mr. Brown told you, I saw him and I told him about the grades, because even with his grades, they're going down. The last exam he did, it was like 20%, 10%, and that's Just not him at all.
Well, honestly, I've been busy with work, you know, so I don't have a lot of time to spend with him. So maybe I'm stepping up a bit. So when I go home, I try my best to see what I can do and talk to him.
All right, please. Because you know he was one of our top students.
Yeah,
And
man.
I want him to go back on the honor roll. You understand me?
I feel so bad because I never know all of them something wrong. And him not display no kind of behavior when him there. Act normal.
No.
Act normal.
It's very strange. Probably have to sit him down, you know?
Well, we can try and do that later. I'll definitely try and do that later.
Alright. Thanks, sir.
Thanks for coming.
And if there's anything you think I can do to help, you can let me know, yeah?
Okay, I'll definitely give you a call.
Alright then.
Okay, cool. Look how you're dirty. I'm not tell us in the cup. You go for dirty up yourself, so you're not beard already?
Yeah.
Come. You tell us to stop ramping as daylight, you gone ramp. Look how you're dirty, your beard already. Come on. I don't want you to dirty up yourself, so not ramp as daylight. It's not bright, you stand up more. Stand up. Here. She gave some oats this morning that must can hold in the juice here. Don't go back on the road, go play.
Yeah.
You hear me say? I go up on the road, go start out something. I'm going to see if we can get something to send on for one bike for you later, yeah?
I thought every time when I go on work and daddy not give me nothing to eat. A farmer brown affair come and give me
Take
something
time,
to
talk.
eat.
Listen to me. Well, me tell you something I can't do no better right now. I give some oats this morning, this must can hold it till I come back. I go up on the road, go start out something. I go get somebody bring on something for you eat as soon as me get all the money. I don't have no money right now. You hear me? And listen, no go back when you go play. See, I come back here no dirtier than this, I go beat you, you know. I'm serious. You hear me say? You not go on the road because people talk say, I have you on the road. You not come put me in a trouble. Go on over. And listen to your stepfather need to talk to you.
Yes, man.
Lisa? Where you go now?
When you heard me say me, I go start with something. I try to hustle up and like a grand figure. I rush and get something to eat coming on the money. You don't know money for you.
Well, them there, so I wait for somebody if you carry money come give me, but you know, like it I go work out.
I can't wait till I eat that come on go do me, but I never left him with nothing to eat.
You know, if me
So I'm just me have to give.
you know, and juice.
But me dey give him something to eat in the morning, but you know I'm picking them around.
Alright. Me probably get something from around on me yard and carry go give him still. But you know say me fit talk to you from the other day?
But
Miss Myra, which is Russian teacher.
yeah, me know.
See me other day and stop me and tell me say Russian I fall back in a school. Lisa, you understand say you're young and you love road and something, but you see your pitney, you have to spend time with your pitney. You understand? You have to spend time and ensure say you help him with his homework and him come home. You don't know what you're going to do honestly with all in stepfather and you, but you have to spend time with the pitney. You can't just dolly up yourself. Look how you look good and something on the road. Eh? You can't just do them this there. Lisa, you have to spend more time with the pitney. At the end of the day, them as here is nothing, you know.
Who say me not spend time with my picnic? You the round up to stay?
Me not around there for see Lisa, but you not around there. Look how much time me have to pass and see my names. Me not around there. Around there live.
Me spend time with my son. Me spend actually me get caught up with the work and stuff. And me have other things to start with on the rest. Sometimes I can't give him as much attention as I can give him, but me spend time with him.
The things them what you are going in there in a family line about, you know.
What you talk about now? You always come with something.
If a gambling and them something where
Then when me go make money, you think bar work a pay?
bar and pay.
So how me gonna make money if me not risk it so much time?
Me still, I think me forgot what you do, Lisa. They make you and your friend them plan up with try to trick them.
But I not like me didn't know you them time. Me never know you. So I not like say me and you did a associate already and me plan to come scam me. I did not know you're just a random person at the bar when we go make money.
Lisa, you can't just go around and feel like say you and your friend them can just trick man. So it's a dangerous business that you know. Eh? Suppose me I did one of them man then.
Well, you know one of them one day.
I say enough you take me for granted. Because you know see you look good enough. You look better than your friend them, you know.
Oh, me I take it for granted, boy.
Alright. So when I buy taxi when I come next, I'm just making drop you out the road.
I want $1,000 to give a shot. If you get the money in time, give me something to eat for me. Yeah.
Me I go grown and I go get some.
And if in a yard don't not grow, then let me know. Because I'm telling you to stay inside, because I'm not here.
How you going, man?
There, I'm a general.
What hell
I'm around there, man.
a long time I not see no man.
Look, and the juggling as usual. Just know.
Alright, so just drop around that party for me, you understand?
Alright, my G.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You're not Mr. 40, man. You don't know what's a thing different.
Yeah man, me start out. So just go and check around the yard, see?
Yeah, man.
Check for a shot.
Yeah man, me I go around and go check for him. Yeah?
You go to it? Alright.
Yo sir.
Yeah, sir.
Boy, Russian tell me say I be a conky around here and conk him up in the head, you know. What kind of style like that?
Well, they deserve more than conk, you know. What go on?
You mean the man deserve more than conk?
Well, no nonsense, man.
But brother, you can't just a conky man in the head, so. Eh? If you talk to him and then just talk to him properly, you know, conk him. You know, you'll treat him.
So, you know, so me get to find out, say, you're a nice stepfather, so you want to go on, you have to come for me now and take him and carry him go to your place.
What you mean you find out say me is the father? Where you get that information there from?
Nah, head, brother. Anything they are dark can become a light, you know.
Well, boss, me and him mother stop chat long time, you know. I one time me had this real stepfather, but I try me rate him and me check for him. Me just always come here and come check for him. So you can't they care feelings.
Well, you see, if you don't want to get no conk, I know liquor and them sitting there, I will take him and carry him go to your place. But you they come like he can't learn.
Yo, hear me I say. You see if me have to come back around here say they are conk him up in the head, they not go pretty enough, sir.
Farmer Brown. But you go on where I go, here.
What you mean you go on with me I go?
Go and go find something up your ground.
Here? Brother, I'm telling you
Go
this.
plant 2 corner.
I'm telling you this. You see if me have to come back around here and you say I conk him up in the head.
Stop point up your machete in my face, because I come like you don't know where I do.
What you mean stop point up my shit?
But say you alone there, you're ground when you're there, you're ground, you know.
So what you try to say?
You will get hurt, you, so you better easy yourself.
You know what? Let me come go with me I go here.
You know, that's the best thing that here.
What?
The best thing that you
Hey, how we attack?
Now you Farmer Brown.
Hey,
Yo, me cut off on your finger, me can.
But me have to come back around here say you leave me.
Don't worry yourself, man. We must catch you.
Mommy, mommy, can't you see?
What our baby has done to me. Take away my energy. Now I'm stuck with bond. TikTok to
Yo, Russian. Yo, why not far me I come from face here? Your stepfather, Farmer Brown, and beat up your other stepfather. First me I hear that. Hey, first you hear that? What you mean? Farmer Brown stepping your other stepfather Nick. Almost kill him because he conky in the forehead. And he don't want to hear that. He want to hear say, alright. Remember some me dig on a summer school, you know? I don't want to go to summer school. Oh, make? Because summer school did nice, but I never get the opportunity to go. Oh. But one of them day, I go come down to your mother yard and ask him if you can come with me. Yeah. Yeah. And if you don't want, you see if you don't want to send you to summer school, just take if you send you around. You see, you go pass one road and go straight and turn. That's the primary? Yeah, you can go so. You know that's the primary? Yeah, you can go to the summer school, keep I want good school that I know. From when me pass up, couldn't do me see that I want a good school though. Yeah, sometimes me teacher them we get out of class. If you know, and then can just send you out of program. See teacher them over Peter C. Primary, a good teacher them, man. Good teacher them, boy. One day me wish me go back a Peter C. Primary. Unity worse. You know how much money me have to spend on Unity? About over 5. Yo, you know, if you want just one, you go party. 4. And that should have been 2. Me wish me to go back to Peter C. Primary. I best school that. And sometimes they will give you free things. Tell me like, I just want to go back to Peter C. Primary. I best school for me. That's so nice. Best school. Me I go ask Farmer Brown if he can tell me mother to transport me back to Peter C. Primary. That's the best school when me figure. That's best school. So me cannot ask your other stepfather? No, brother. Because I'm a crunk up in your forehead. You don't want to give me some boop again. You look like an abusive. Yo, I worst man that my mother take up on worst man in life. Wish my father never gone to no prison. You know, so my father take care of me. I Farmer Brown. Yeah, Farmer Brown take care of me. Yeah, come me own father. Lord, God, you see. That time when Farmer Brown give me something for him. Every time when my mother got work, I no got no. Him have to come trip me and give me food for eat. You catch your father with goat in a car back. What you mean in a car back? Because I'm a goat thief. You never know. Hey, me have to go in and go watch Popeyes. That's me I hear them talk about some man a thief, goat and I put in a car. So me I wonder who them me can't be sorry my father that. But that me I wonder me and my mother say when my father dey. And we can't find everywhere we go, we can't find him. We got him mother yard, we can't find him. We got every places we can't find him. Because of jail he go. You know, he's a bit of thief. Plus, Papa is good at it that they beat on it. For a long time. I like good things so then tell Papa. That me I say, I wish God them a talk about. Me I go check Papa's data, no. Anytime me I got me bed, me watch ya, see who I go on so me can breathe. That remember say I'm a good friend, I know.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
bless her, no.
good friend. Remember say remember say I par for reborn, I know. Remember say I par. Come in, come back we go over here, so.
Yeah, but they must get their mad saying that.
What do you mean?
Yo, me find something up a bush here, you know.
You get them?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. How you been left them for?
Yes, me carry them down. Cause me need them. And me see one breadfruit and me picky.
Then that's it. You can't. Cause Beryl got rid most of everything, you know.
Master, you can't say it again. Jesus, peace. Well, left if you hungry, skill we, but I too we skill make when I go dead if you hungry.
Alright, no man, a hot me, no man. Come here and tell us, mommy, me.
What's bite you?
Was. Me have to go down there a while ago to Russia and Stepfather, man, and show him say, yo, I'm me are the man. You understand? You cannot conk up a little boy, so.
No, man.
And then I go down there and give me tough chat, mommy. Me have to put up my shit.
This you have to take and slap him up, give him 2 slap with it.
Sure.
Boy, you put on my shit and lick with your hand. Slap him with, not chop him, slap him with it.
Hey, auntie Maria, tell me always love your badness now, man.
Yes, man.
I make her come put something on it.
Daddy.
Where me I go put pan here now? I mean,
Oi!
no liniment, you know.
What?
There, man. I'm to you. Come in. So when we go over, me I come check and make her put something on it. Look at ice or something here. I'm to you.
Me used to beat up my stepfather for true.
Who tell her that?
And my friend did that pass true and he soon.
So, you know, to get beat up.
Yeah, if you get beat up, you say, Daddy.
Are you make me beat him up?
Yeah. You say, that's why me rate
So, I
you,
have to
Daddy.
check with him if he slap him with the machine.
You should have just take him a shit and slap him out like, give him 2 slap. That you should have do.
Oh man, I don't want to put myself in trouble or go in jail.
See, that's why me rate you, Daddy.
No worry yourself, man. You're good enough. I don't want nobody feel like they can take me no step away, you know.
No, man. Nothing like him.
Daddy, mommy no commit.
You not sure commit?
No.
So me I tell you about mommy. That's all him mother do. Go road, gamble, and do all sort of something. How much man pick him up and do something. You know what you gonna do? Try. Yeah.
Daddy, mosquito them a bite terrible, man.
Let me tell you this.
Yeah.
Zane?
Yeah.
Not because you see me beat up your stepfather, you know. Means say violence is good. Right?
Yes, Daddy.
Violence is not good all the time.
Daddy.
Me hear say you go to school and you fight. What me tell you about fighting, sir?
Don't fight. Fighting is bad.
Right, fighting is bad, you don't fight it. Somebody even I say words and I call your name, you don't pay them no mind.
Right.
You go through. As long as they don't touch you, you don't touch them, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Good. You don't want you put yourself in no trouble.
Yes, Daddy.
And me have to just teach your stepfather a lesson. You understand?
You know, quote me again.
Good.
Teach him a goodness.
So here what I go on now. Just go on, me I go cook some food you can get around the yard.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, look more.
Yeah.
Yeah, good boy, man, making
So me I tell you about mama.
yes, man, a good boy.
You have to
I have to talk with them, make them know themselves.
You have to grow them good, you know.
Yeah, they have to.
I mean, tell you this a generation and what come and
Master, you can't say it. What that talk?
No, man.
We have to curve them.
But come here with a bag of carry out the fair. Come on, car.
Yes,
I tell you, sir.
tell you, go ahead.
Boy, man, no help, you know, man. Them a young boy, they not even want.
Do nothing.
So they want to take up the farming.
I want a piece of wood and me have to go looking.
Boy, a woman look good.
Me look 4 coconut from away and I 2 left up there and I them me go for.
Yeah.
And me go pick 2 breadfruit I want them.
Alright, me a come grow now, yeah, they here.
Yes, alright.
Come go on there. Watch the road there before you cross because them people are in them
Do something.
in the axio. One man.
Hmm?
One. People in the axio.
She did long.
So them have to look out for them and some full long car them.
It's all in our hands, this life of time. That's given to us all. It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
Big boy, you go put him up on movie.
Come here, boy.
With every field and rising sea, can hear the sounds of all. And with every change,
I'm moving, you know. Wait.
No.
it's all in our hands.
Me, I just 1 minute. 1 minute after.
It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. And we know the change will surely come.
Yeah.
So no prize listen up for your cash go driver too.
I know how fast it is.
I'm take you and tab you in your foot for your foot up.
No. We're best
Yo, come again. Don't laugh in here. Don't laugh.
Yo, hear me as well. You know, I need that again.
Don't laugh. Don't come here. Don't laugh. I'm bad just.
Nobody will stay.
We don't know players either.
First part went to this now.